They're gonna fall. Look, he almost fell again. Dad, they're not gonna do anything. Look at him, he's climbing over him.
It's where it's floating. It's the engine's got to be square with the way it's floating.
And it is. As long as the transom is even.
This is what I'm saying. I think we should make sure that we put it exactly. That's hard to do, but like say it's close. Like see that corner and that corner right there. That's about even. See, and that's pretty much level right there. See.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see. It's pretty much the same as this.
Yeah, it's just the decks. It's when they put the molds for the decks inside and fiberglass it on, the decks sometimes aren't perfectly even. Even though it feels even, when you put a level on it, it's not perfectly even.
So I don't know if you can do it just right like that.
Yeah. Right there, it's through. It sucks putting holes in your boat. And this is what we're going to be using. 5200 fast curing marine sealant. So we got white. That way it matches with the boat. It is permanent, so once it goes on, it's not coming off. Put it all the way loose. That way when I put it on, it easily goes onto that transom.
It's gonna be hard to line this up.
Yeah. Got it bolted down. Got the 5200 sealant in it. Right here. A little bit messy, but that's fine. Okay, the engine's all done. It's bolted on. Another thing I also got was the 30-inch tiller extension. That way I can steer the boat while standing up and using the grab bar. It's gonna go about to here, a little bit behind me, exactly how I wanted it. Gonna put this on. Let's see how this fits now. Here we go. First time that the engine is on the boat. That's bolted on. We gave it the recommended amount of time to dry, so we're just gonna go on a little cruise. Look at this iguana up here. Look at that. Oh, he's falling. Oh, he fell into the boat. Oh, look, there they are, some more. Look, they're all up on here. Look at them. I guess they just come up and they run along the sides. Yeah, they are gonna fall. Look, they almost fell again. Dad, they're not gonna do anything. Look at him, he's climbing over him. Oh, there he goes again. Oh my god. Oh.